Instead of going to the gym, you can do exercises at home. This saves you time and money. If you do exercises at least 3 times a week, you will have a more defined body, more energy, and may even lose a few pounds. Even without appliances, you can do many exercises at home. You can do light exercises, or a more intense workout, watching TV for example. Listen to music is also a good way to bring up the motivation. And if you want to invest a little in equipment, you can buy weights to do exercises that strengthen your muscles. To do exercises on the floor, you can buy a special rug, suitable for exercises. Thus, your body will not be in contact with the frozen ground during your workout. Whether with or without equipment, the most important thing is to start doing the exercises as soon as possible. If you are a beginner, and want to start doing exercises at home now, the best thing you can do is to follow an exercise program, to correctly guide you. I recommend that you access the link in the description, just below this video, and start your exercises now. If you liked this video, click on like below, and subscribe to the channel. Start your home workout today, and you will see the results very soon. Good luck.